Hey everyone, if you're tired of digging through endless lists to see how your team is performing, you need a command center. Today, I'm showing you how to build a visual dashboard in Clickup. Let's get started. First, let's create your workspace. Head to your left sidebar and click Dashboards, then hit plus New Dashboard in the top right. You can also use the global plus icon from your home screen. If you're in a rush, pick a project management template, but for this video, we're selecting Start from Scratch for a clean canvas. Now let's add the visuals. Click plus Add Card in the upper right corner. Under the Custom menu, you have three heavy hitters: bar charts for comparing task counts by status, pie charts to see who on your team is carrying the heaviest workload, and line charts to track your completion trends over the month. Pro tip: always remember to set your location source so the card knows exactly which folders or lists to pull from. Next, let's make it look professional. Toggle Edit Mode on in the top left corner. Now you can drag cards to reposition them or grab the corners to resize them for better visibility. Need to change your data? Click the cog icon on any card to swap your X and Y axes, for example, changing task count to time tracked for a deeper look at your efficiency. The best part about ClickUp 4.0 is that these charts are interactive. If you see a red slice on a pie chart, just click it. It'll drill down and show you the exact list of tasks causing the delay so you can take action immediately. And there you go, a custom dashboard in under 2 minutes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.